Hello Primary 6. Today we will answer together the first exam in المعاصر final examination Cairo government. In Cairo government exam we will answer together. The first question is choose the correct answer. Number 1, 2 over 3 to 2 over 3. Then if we want to simplify two fractions, then should be change mixed numbers into fractions. The first step. How? 2 over 3 to 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 2 equals 8 over 3. Then if we have the same denominator, we say the last revision, we can take 2 to 8 and simplify 2 to 8 equal what? Divide by 2, then equal 1 to 4. Okay, then the final answer of course equal 1 to 4. Fine. The next question, x plus 4 over 2 equal 5. Then x equal what? We can answer this question by cross multiplications. Then x plus 4 equal 2 times 5 equal 10. Which number plus 4 equal 10? Of course equal 6. But this is the equations we can answer by go 4 to the next side, opposite side into negative 4 or minus 4. Then of course x equal 10. Of course x equal 6. Fine. Okay. The next question, number 3. 500 decimeter cube equal what liter? What the difference between decimeter cube and liter? Of course, this is wrong question. We don't have the difference between decimeter cube and liters. Why? Because this is the same unit. 500 decimeter cube, of course, equal 500 liter. Thank you. Number 4. The range of the values 5, 4, 8, 12, 7 is what? What is the meaning of value? What is the meaning of value primary 6? Value هي maximum value minus smallest أو the minimum value. Then of course the maximum value for this question is 12. 12 minus the minimum value is 4. Then 12 minus 4, of course, equal 8. Thank you. Number 5, 1 over 2 to 1 over 3 to 1 over 4. How can I answer these questions? We said before, in last lesson, if we have a different denominator in the fractions of ratio, should be equivalent denominators, or find the common multiples for denominators. How? We have many steps we can answer this question by multiply denominators together. How? 2 times 3 times 4 equal 24. Okay, and we can multiply each fraction by 24. 1 over 2 times 24 equal what? 12. 1 over 3 times 24 equal 8. 1 over 4 times 24 equals 6. For all the ratios or all numbers 12, 8, 6 can divisible by what? Of course can divisible by 2. Then 12 divide 2 equals 6, 8 divide 2 equal 4, 6 divide 2 of course equal 3. Then the final answer 6 to 4 to 3. Fine. Okay, multiply each fraction by 24 and the final answer 6 to 4 to 3. Number 6, the length of drawing is 2 centimeter and the real length is 20 meter. Then the drawing scale is what? What is the meaning of drawing scale? What is the important rule of the drawing scale? Draw length to real length. Then draw length equal what, ya primary 6? Draw length, of course, equal to 20 meters. Then should be change meters into centimeter. Multiply by 100. Then 2 to 2 2000s equal what? Of course, equal 1 to 1000 after we simplify. Number 7, this is a very important question. If A is half B and B twice C, then A to C equal what? A is half B, meaning what? A is half B, then A to B to C. A half B, 1 to 2. Okay, A half B meaning 1 to 2. Type. And B is twice C. What is the meaning twice? Twice يعني 2, double. Then 2 to 1. We have the same number in B, then ratio between A to C equal 1 to 1. Equal 1 to 1. Okay? Now, you know the difference between A half B meaning 1 to 2. Type. B twice C meaning 2 to 1. Then the final answer equal 1 to 1. Fine. Number 8, 6 hours to 1 days. 6 hours to 1 day. You know the difference between them? Of course. We can simplify the ratio with different units. Should be changed day into hours. How? Multiply 1 day, by 24 hours. Then 6 to 24. 6 to 24. 6 to 24. And simplify, divide by 6 equal what? Of course, equal 1 to 4. Fine. Okay. Number 9, 20% of a number is 80. Then the number is what? 20% meaning 20 over 100 of 80. Of a number is 80. Of a number is 80. يعني time number, say number y equal 80. Then y is what? The number is what? Divide 80 divide 0.2. 80 divide 0.2 equal what? Of course, equal what? Equal 400. Of course, equal هتبقى equal 400. Okay? هتبقى equal 400. Of course, equal 400. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Another question. The opposite data, quantitative, except Of course, equal favorite colors. This is the last question, number 10. Number 11, base area of cuboid is 12 centimeter square and its volume is 6 centimeter cube. Then its length, its height is what? Which rule we are used to find the height for these questions? This is cuboid. Then if we want to find the height of cuboid, height equal what? Volume over base area. Okay, طب الفوليوم equal what? 6 over base area 12. Then final answer equal half. Okay, then a final answer of course equal half. The final answer of course equal, okay, equal 1 over 2. Okay, fine. The final answer is 1 over 2. 6 over 12, 1 over 2. Fine. Number 12, the sum age of length of cube is 12. Then its volume is what? What is the meaning the sum ages length? Sum ages length. All ages of cube is 12. Then if we want to find age length of cube, to find age length الواحد للcube should be divide 12 divide by 12. Then this is a side length equal what? Equal what? 1 centimeter. But volume equal side times side times side, or age length times age length times age length. 1 times 1 times 1, of course, equal 1. Okay, then the volume equal 1 centimeter cube. Fine. Number 13, if a man drinks 3.5 liters of juice weekly, then the rate of what he drinks daily is what? Liters per day. Then if you want to find the rate هو compare between two different unit. Then 3.5 we can divisible 3.5 divide by 7 weekly, 7 day, of course equal what? 0.5 or 1 over 2. Fine. Question 2 complete. 250 gram to 1 over 2 kilogram. The simplest form should be change kilogram into gram, then multiply by 1000 into change into 500 gram. Then 250 gram to 500 gram equal 1 to 2. Number 2, tractors plough 28 faddan in 4 hours. Then the time which is needed to plough 42 faddan is what hour? This is what this question for which lesson? For proportional lesson. Okay, we can answer together. 28 faddan plough in 4 hours, and 42 faddan plough which hours? Then by cross multiplication we can find the number of hours. Then the number of hours of course equal 6 hours. Number 3, the percentage is a ratio with the second term is of course 100. Number 4, if we distribute 300 pounds between 2 persons and the first share is 1 over 2 the second, then the share of first is what? We can answer this question by cross multiplication. We have a first to second, 1 to 2, and distribute 300 between two persons. Then we sum the ratio between first and second, and 300. Then by cross multiplication, the share of the first by cross multiplications, 300 times 1 over 3, of course, equal 100. Number 5, the proportion 2, x, 6, and 9 are proportional. Then x equal what? If 2 to 9, 2 times 9 equal 18. Then which number times x equal 6 equal 18? Of course 3. Or we can answer by write in the fraction form 2 over x equal 6 over 9. By cross multiplication we can find the x. Okay, fine. Then a final answer, of course, equals 3. Fine. Number 6, the opposite figures A, B, C, D is parallelogram. Measure B equal 100 and measure A equal what? Okay, before answer should be ask yourself measure A or A is a consecutive angle or opposite angle? Of course, is consecutive angle. Then if we want to find measure A, should be subtract 180 minus 100, of course, equal 80. 180 minus 100 equal 80. Number B, the ratio between measure B and measure C in the simplest form. Okay, ratio between measure B equal 100. طيب measure C equal what? Of course equal 80. طيب ازاي equal 80؟ ممكن نقول ان هنا دي measure A 80 يبقى measure C opposite angle equal 80. Okay, then the ratio between B and C. طيب if B equal what? 100 to C equal what? 80. By simplify 80 100 to 80 divisible by 20, of course a final answer equal 5 to 4. Number C, if AB plus BC equal 10 centimeter, the perimeter of parallelogram ABCD equal what? هنا التو سايد عندنا التو سايد ده التو سايد AB plus BC equal 10. Then the perimeter of ABCD equal what? Of course equal 20. خلاص يبقى هنا كل two side ب 10 يبقى another side 10 يبقى 10 plus 10 of course equal 20. طيب لو كان الباراليلوجرام ده ال AB equal BC يعني ال sides بتاعته are equals, then the figures is called what? ABCD is called what? لو كان الباراليلوجرام فيه sides بتاعته are equal, then of course equal rhombus. rhombus not ما ينفعش نقول square لأن الانجلز is not right angle. امتى نقول square؟ لو كانت الانجلز بتاعتي right angle. Okay, fine. Question 3, answer the following question. Mariam puts a TV set for £1,800 after discount of 10%. Calculate the price of the TV before the discount. طيب for this question should be right discount before discount after discount. Of course before discount 100%, الديسكاونت 10%, لكن after discount subtract 90%. طيب the price of TV after discount can 1,800, then before discount by cross multiplication equal 2,000 pounds. Number 2, swimming pool in shape of cuboid whose internal dimensions are 40 meter, 30 meter, and 1.8 meter. Find the capacity in liter. This is very easy questions. To find the capacity for swimming pool, find the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, of course, equal length time width time height. Then 30 times 18 times 40 equal 2160 meter cube. طب from meter cube هو قال لي find the capacity in liter. From meter cube to decimeter cube. Multiply by what? Should be multiplied by 1000. Then change equal. Okay. The next question. Number 3, map is drawn with a scale 1 to 600,000. If the distance between two sits on this map is 4 centimeters, find the real distance between the two sits in kilometers. Okay. Everyone know what is the meaning of drawing a scale? Drawing a scale, draw length to real length. Okay, 1 to 600,000. Okay, distance on the map ده معناه drawing a scale، يبقى ده 4 سنتيمتر by cross multiplications. Okay, we can find the real length هتكون بالسنتيمتر، هتبقى 2. Okay, change distance ده 1 in kilometer. From centimeter to kilometer, of course, divide by 100,000. Then the final answer equal 24 kilometer. Fine. Okay, 24 kilometers. This is the last dimensions for the real length. Okay, this figures you can draw this figure in graph copybook. الماركس هتكون على x axis 10 20 30 and the number of people هتكون على y axis. We can use a counting number 1 2 3 till number 9 and draw in the curve polygon frequency curve. Okay, by using your hand. Thank you for good listening in primary 6. I hope everyone can understand this revision.